minute lesson. Today we have a lesson, okay? And this lesson, I'm purely gonna do it based on Google, right? Good old Google, guys, okay? So I'm teaching my students how to trade, okay? And in this case, we are trading Forex, okay? Forex, binary options, stocks, crypto, and other assets, okay? Indices and metals, gold and silver indices, the NAS, the NAS 100, the US 30, and so on and so forth. There are many assets out there to trade, because most of you have been asking me the very basics, okay? So I take these 5 minutes short courses to turn them into knowledge based, okay? So where we give you some nuggets, okay? So some of you are asking me, what do I mean by currency pairs, okay? So let's take you back here to TradingView, okay? So if you don't have a TradingView account, you can start one for free, and if you want the pro features, you can subscribe. To just cost you a cup of coffee, but you can sign up for free, okay, guys? And I'll put the link in the description, okay? For those of you guys who are watching on YouTube, the link is in the description. And for those of you guys who are live here, you can see that in the chat box. I put the link in the chat box, okay, guys? So basically what I'm talking about is when you go to TradingView, okay, from your home screen, when you click on Forex, you can look for Forex pairs like what we have here. You can see right now we are in a trade here with one of my students. She is paper trading, okay? She does have live accounts too, but what we do is we use the TradingView platform to chart our trades. This is where we do our charting. This is where you put our indicators. This is where we draw our lines. This is where we do all our gimmicks, our tricks, our strategies. And then we go to our live accounts just to input the values, okay? So for example, this trade here, you can see we started it here last night, and this trade is already up by 12,760. So we are growing this account by leaps and bounds. Now, similarly, this student has she does have her own live accounts. Actually, she has two, one small one. I think right now it's at probably $2,000. Let me see. Yes, this one here, it started at 1,000 4 days ago, and now it's at 2,300. So literally, she has doubled this account using the strategies that we are training her. And you can see it's in the money right now. It's the same trade, guys, that is going on TradingView. Is the same trade that she took here, okay? Now, she's taken a few we show her how to get her profits, okay? Take a profit as you go along, okay? You gotta make some bread as you go along, okay? Sometimes if you hold it for too long, the market conditions change. We have no control of that, guys, okay? And I'm not promising you guys any riches here. Let me put a disclaimer here. Whatever information we are sharing with you guys is not financial advice. None of us is a financial advisor. It's not professional financial advice. We are doing this for entertainment and for your own, you have to do your own research, guys, okay? But some of us have been online for so many years, and we're just sharing what we are doing and what our students are doing, okay? If you are not a member of the Smart Wolf Club community, go ahead and join. I put the link in the description. Go and become a member so you can start learning some of these strategies. Actually, right now we are using free, F-R-E, free indicators on TradingView to chart these trades. And this broker here my student is using is called MASARI Capital. I put a link in the description if you want to go ahead and open an account. If you don't have a Forex broker, go ahead and sign up, okay? There are many other brokers. We put more. You can see this trade is actually in the money right now. Right now it's $67, $65, okay? From a $2,000 account. That's a big profit right there. We can actually take this and go home, okay? However, we have not hit take profit yet, so we're gonna let this run. My student wants to be a swing trader, not a scalper or day trader, because she's very busy. Her name is Martha. She's camera shy, and we are doing it virtually. She's in Sydney, Australia. And we train students from all over the world. We have coaches from everywhere. Most of them have been with us for many, many years. We have Tajimoto from Tokyo, Japan, who's been with us for over 15 years, doing very well. He's one of our coaches, very successful. We have Malemala from Cape Town, South Africa. We've been with us for over 12 years, very well, successful. Anything online, we've been there, we've done that. In our community, we train, we teach you how to trade anything, Forex, crypto, stocks, options. We teach you digital marketing, online digital marketing, which is the bread and butter of online activities. Okay, this is where the big money, most of our students make their big money, those who are into marketing, digital marketing, you know, like where you put an advertisement on, let's say, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, Pinterest, any of those platforms, buy media, buy traffic. Most of you asking me what is traffic. Traffic means just eyeballs, buying eyeballs to your product, to your services. Sometimes it doesn't even have to be your product. You could just be an affiliate where you make commission, you sell, you're paid a commission, okay? 75%, 90%. Some offers pay you up to 90%, okay? Some offers pay you up to 100% on the front end, and then they make money on the back end, okay? You sell a product or a service costing, let's say, $100, you make $100 per sale. And then they have upsells in the back end where they make their money, where the product vendor makes money. So we have all kinds of digital marketing. Now, you can see this is going up and down, up and down, up and down. But at the end, our bias is going down. You can see that is going down. You can see here the indicator that we are using. This is the 4-hour. If you look at the daily, okay, the higher time frame, you can see it is still a downward trend. You can see here the two indicators that we are using is the Super Bollinger trend. Okay, you can see that. We got a signal here that it is a downward trend, so we are taking advantage of that. So our bias is basically downward, the GBP against the US dollar. So that is what I wanted to talk about. Okay, and the MACD bands, you can see they're strongly pointing downwards. So this is going to go down, and this is going to go up. Okay, our goal here is to make at least, you can see 19,920. That was our goal for the day here. Okay, so British pound, this is GBP USD. You can type, let's say, Euro USD. You can see all these pounds. So Euro USD. So in a case like that, what is the Euro and what is the USD? So the first listed currency of a currency pair is called the base currency. So in this case here, let's go back. GBP USD. So GBP here, which is the British pound, is the base currency. So what is the US dollar? The US dollar here is the court currency. So what happens when the market is going down? When the market is going down, that means what? What does that mean? Where USD is not the base currency, a rising court means the US dollar is weakening. Okay, so when the pair is going up, when we are in an upward trend, let's say GBP USD, that means the dollar is weakening against the British pound, which is the base currency, in this case, the British pound. But like in our case here, it is going down, okay? You can see this pair is going down. That's why we have a downward trend. And you can see from this line here, this is the EMA 400, okay? EMA 10 to 1, that's the one we are using here. It shows us that it's a downward trend. When the candles are closing below this EMA, which is a moving average exponential, that means below here we are looking for short sales and the currency is going down, guys. And that's what we are looking for right here, guys. Just a moment, guys. So that's exactly what is happening. So today's lesson was that short. It's just to let you guys know that between the base currency pairs, there's what we call the base currency, which is the first currency, and then the second currency is called the court currency. So in a case where the court currency is stronger, then you're gonna get the pair, the value going down. Okay, so when the pair is going down, then we're talking about the court currency going up. So in this case, the US dollar is going up, it's stronger than the British pound, and that's what you get. You find we have a downward trend. Okay, it's going down. That means the British pound is weaker than the US dollar. And if you look at the news and the fundamentals, for those of you who are fundamental traders, fundamental analysts, you can see that the British pound has been on a downward streak all the way from here, guys. You can see all the way from July. It has been going down, 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 down. So hopefully in October, and I'm thinking if we plot our lines here, guys, you can see if we put a line here, let me see, if I can get a line. See, that's probably where we are heading to. And I'm thinking this is where the turnaround is going to happen. And this may take a couple days, may take a month, maybe somewhere in November. Guys, you can see that. This may come all the way down here in somewhere in end of October or November, when maybe this may act like a support, or we may just go through this line, okay? May act like a support, and so maybe this is where we can start taking the British pound might start threading it. We don't know yet. It all depends on a lot of things, financial markets, economies of these countries, and many, many other things. Okay, guys, so I want to keep it short, and these are just our little short trainings to give you guys some information. And we do this every week, every other day. So please subscribe to this channel. It's a new channel, guys. We want to get it to 5,000. So subscribe and invite at least 5 of your friends that you care about, because this is free information. This is what our private students have been paying us for many years to be trained, but now we are sharing it for free with their permission. Right now I have Martha on here, who is my private student. With her permission, I'm sharing this information. Okay, so, and this information you can find for yourself, but I know most people are lazy, so that's why we're bringing this information to you. We want to help at least 1,000 people get to that $1 million mark, making money online. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end this training here, and I will see you in the next one. But please make sure you subscribe, okay, and like this video and share, so that YouTube can send this to many people. We want many people to join our community, so we can train at least 1,000 people to get to that $1 million mark. We've done this before, and we want to do this again, okay? And we have coaches from all over the world. Mr. Baker, for those of you, let's say in the United States, we have many, many coaches in the US. I can just mention a few. Mr. Baker out of Atlanta, Georgia, Anne-Marie out of New York, Jose in Sacramento, Jorgensen from Denmark, okay? We have Karinzas, she's from Berlin, Germany, she's in Germany. We have Pierre joining us from Paris, France, Omoses from Lagos, Nigeria, Rosemary from Toronto, Canada, Mary from Vancouver, Canada, Rodriguez from Rio de Janeiro, Mr. Singh, hi, from from Bombay, India, Ahmed from Dubai, UAE, and many, many other. Wuhan joining us from Singapore, Shan from Seoul, South Korea. These people have been with us for over 12 years. Very successful, and they can help you succeed online. Teach you simple strategies like the DGE strategy, defining your goals, your dreams, and your execution. We get you an execution plan to get you to the next level, okay? Because most people have dreams, most people can set goals, most people can try to execute, but most people fail. And that's where we come in and help you. Okay, we do this every day. We've been doing this for many years. So during the pandemic, we decided, let's go out and help the community, because it touched close to our hearts. We see a lot of people suffering, lost their businesses, lost their income, and we want to help the community, give back to the community. I'm a believer, and the master teacher says, if you believe in something, learn, practice, and teach others. And when you teach others, they become successful, and your problems start disappearing. That's the only way you can make your problems disappear, is by learning the skills. Learn many skills, not one skill. If the pandemic has taught us anything, is that you have to have multiple skills and multiple sources of income. We teach in our community, the Smart Wolf Club community, we teach our members to have at least 6 sources of income. 6 sources of income. Okay? You can have your job, full-time job. Most of you, I know, like what you're doing. Doctors, nurses, engineers, computer specialists, stay-home moms, stay-home dad, florists, shopkeepers, salespeople, students, professionals, academia. People are in different fields, lawyers, attorneys. We have people who are truck drivers, tree surgeons, okay, landscapers, masonists, construction guys, name them, okay? So you like what you do, you can do this part-time, okay? Start learning these skills part-time, and we teach you. But like you can see this trade here. Martha took this trade, okay? Let me just show you. It's going up and down. Right now, she's up $69. This is a $2,000 invest. She started at $1,000, okay? And now, within 4 days, this account is doubled, and by the end of the week, it will be tripled, okay? And she can start even drawing off some of this money, okay? She can start paying some bills with this money, okay? But that's not what our goal is, to grow it bigger so we can start taking bigger trades with bigger lot size. This is where the fun starts. This is nothing yet. The fun begins when you have an account like this. When you have an account like this, this is where the fun begins. You can see similar trade. You guys can see the trade. It is at 440. Same trade, okay? 440. Compare that with same trade at $70. So the other trade is almost 5 times just because of the investment that's in there. So guys, the sky is the limit. Go ahead and join the community. Now, if you have any questions, leave comments here and be courteous, okay? Be respectful. I know there's a lot of negativity going around. Please keep that to yourself. We want to encourage a positive community, guys, okay? Negativity, keep it to yourself, or you can one-on-one chat with me, okay? If you need some help in terms of getting that negative mindset, low esteem, because a lot of people suffering from that, you can talk to us and we can get you some professional help. We are not professionals. We are not promising you any quick riches here, guys. And of course, in any trade that you take, always exercise proper risk management, okay? Never, ever go into any investment, whether it is trading online, offline, a shop, a store, buying a market, buying a whatever, with monies that you cannot afford, okay? If you cannot afford to lose the money, do not go into, because you can lose your money. Anything can happen here, and this account can be wiped out, or even this broker can decide to go away, okay? So you can lose your money, right? So you see where the risk is, the life, yeah, even any investment, okay, offline, online. You can start an offline store, okay, brick and mortar, no customers come, or the hurricane shows up and wipes out your store with all your stock, and you lose, right? So never go into any business investment without proper assessment, risk management. Do your due diligence, okay, guys? All right, I'll see you at the top, guys, and may the Almighty bless all of you who are going to go through this training. And subscribe, please, for more training. Hit that bell notification. We also have communities you can join. We have a WhatsApp group. For those of you who like WhatsApp, we have a WhatsApp group. For those of you who don't like WhatsApp, we have a Telegram group. If you don't like Telegram group or WhatsApp group, we have a Facebook group. This is a private Facebook group. You'll be invited once you join the Smart Wolf Club. You'll be invited to a private group. We have Instagram. You can go and follow us there. But make sure you like this video and share with at least 5 people today. That is the only thing you have to do today. Open a TradingView account for free. The link is in the description. Open a brokerage account, okay? You don't need any money to open one. You can start with a demo account. They give you paper money, just like we take the trades here, and then we just transpose those on this. We can do this automatically. The signals can be transferred to these brokers automatically, but we spend our time on TradingView doing our chatting and all that, okay? So you guys can see this is deeply in the money. This trade was taken this morning, and you can see it's already at almost 14,000. Our goal is to get to the 19,000 today, and then we close it, okay? We hit the take profit, and we're going to do that, okay? So guys, I will see you at the top. Good day, goodbye, good night for some of you. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.